What's going on, all my hustlers and grinders and go-getters? We're back with another video.
So this is a live premiere video, so make sure you leave a comment, ask us some questions because we'll answer you back during the video.
So let's check out the first job of the day, and they want a half load done in JoJo. There's a whole lot more than a half load. If you guys can see, we can barely get through the fence. It's all hella close, JoJo. And there is trash all the way back here. Way over there in the backyard. So here's the first job, and we're gonna do a half load for her. You ready, JoJo?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
And we already have a half load in the truck, so adding this up will give us a full load.
So leave a comment down below what you guys charge for a half load. So check out this shit show. Hey, JoJo.
Trying to make it to where we could open up the door all the way. There's so much stuff behind the door.
Now, subscribers, what's wrong with this picture right here? Leave it in the comments down below. And the JoJo, break it down. What's going on? What's wrong with this picture right here?
Yeah, I was waiting to give you a little bit of time to respond to tell us what is wrong with this scenario. Okay, this is one thing you never want to do, and that is park your dump truck next to the customer's car. We had an incident where we learned this the hard way, and leave a comment down below if you remember what happened. What happened when we parked too close to a car? We ended up doing a really big mistake where we threw something and it went over and it landed and it hit the car, and we paid out of pocket for that, and we never want to do that again. We're being extremely careful this time, but the customer's not here to move the car, and so this is what we had to do. But we're making sure we are extra careful in loading your truck.
So JoJo, this is unweavable. Check this out. Is that your hair, JoJo? What the hell just happened, girl?
It's actually a perfect match, right? Extensions.
So we got a half load and we done. Now, have you guys heard the good news about Venmo and Cash Apps? JoJo, that is not good news, is it?
It's not good news. They're gonna start taxing you on those things.
So if you make over $600, get ready to come out of pocket. We can't have nothing nice in life no more, JoJo.
No, they always find a way to get in your pocket.
Yeah, so what's your prediction of the dump fee?
My prediction of the dump fee is $82.
$82, I'm gonna say $93. And don't forget to smash that like button and leave comments down below. We're live. We're behind the computer right now with you guys.
Yeah, and leave a comment down below and let us know, do you currently use Venmo or any Cash Apps?
And remember one thing, cash is king, baby. So we're heading to the landfill.
Now let's welcome our newest channel members. We have David Marsh, Brandon Hyatt, and Alfred Junk Hauling.
So check it out, it was 620 pounds at $41. The JoJo, I do believe, won. And what are you guys paying per ton out where you're at? We're paying $132 here, and at the other landfill, what is it, $147, I do believe. So we're back here getting money, guys.
Our next job of the day, and we're in a senior community, which is a great place to advertise and get out your flyers and pass out business cards.
So how many of you guys fall asleep and take breaks on junk that you find? Maybe a couch, maybe a mattress. I got the sun in my eyes right now, but I'm gonna take a little 15-minute nap. Oh yeah, it's beautiful out here. I love trash. I love the junk biz. I love it so much. So are you making fun of me right now?
I love it so much.
Now, damn, that was a good nap, JoJo, and some easy money.
Super easy money. And leave a comment down below and let us know, when are you typically done with your jobs?
Us, we're normally done around 2-ish, and I love it.
I do too. The 2 is a perfect time to be done.
Oh yeah, so we're heading to the next job, and it's a curbside pickup, my favorite.
So check this out. It is a single item curbside pickup. How easy is that?
Now, I'm not gonna lie, this thing's pretty heavy. And guess where these junk finds are going? We're putting these bad boys in the houseboat. Down below, we have 2 places where mattresses need to go. And look what happened. We found them on a job, and they are super comfortable too, so they're going to the houseboat. Win-win situation, baby.
So whenever you find yourself needing something, just say you need it out loud and the junk gods will listen and answer for you.
So, JoJo, I know what I want for Christmas. Check this out, guys. We're pulling up to a guy that has the ultimate bicycle. Check this out. JoJo, can I get one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It is solar powered. He is cruising. So we are at the next job of the day, and these people have about a quarter load, and I don't think we're going to be able to film because they're standing right there.
So just like that, job is complete and we got paid, and now we're meeting up with a realtor. How many of you guys do estimates at the end of the day when you know you're going over there and not going to do the job? That's how we do it here at Sonoma Strong Hauling. If it's a job we're just going to bid, we always schedule it for the end of the day. So we got 2 bids to go do for a realtor. You ready?
Yes, and also I've discovered that you land so many more of your jobs when you do in-person estimates.
So we're heading over there right now. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we land 2 for 2, JoJo.
Yeah, and it's a realtor and you want them on your team because they'll call you over and over again.
Oh yeah, now we're heading that way now. So JoJo, what time is it?
Coffee time!
So we had to take a little pit stop and get some coffee because the realtor wasn't ready. So we're heading over there right now. You ready, JoJo, or what?
Yeah. So check this out. We are going to take you along with us to do these 2 estimates. So I'm hoping it's not on the 3rd floor.
And guess what, JoJo? It is on the 3rd floor. But I do believe there's an elevator. No, I am wrong. There's no elevator. This is our elevator right here.
Gym time.
Oh, yeah. I need to work on my ass anyways, guys. And you know me, I'll find a way to toss it off the balcony. I ain't walking up and down these stairs. Oh, hell no. We'll back the dump truck right there, and I'll pull a Tom Brady and start tossing them. Now let me show you guys how we do estimates. I'll walk in the house, check out all the trash. There's a bunch of stuff on the counter, on the ground. I'll check in every single room and walk around the house 2 times. I'll check the closets, I'll look up top, make sure I get everything calculated. I'll walk in the bathroom, make sure I turn on the lights. I'll check down below and every single door, I'll open them. And also I'll just walk around and really just calculate how much time this is gonna take and how much room this is gonna take up in the dump truck. So this house is not that bad. There's not that much big stuff, but everything's scattered. Like we got a pile right here, which is easy to do. And there is a walk-in closet right here. It's hard to see, but there is some stuff up here in the cabinets that needs to go too. So I'm just walking around the house, calculating everything in my head, and we won't take no paints or chemicals. I'll let the realtor know that already. So I'll just walk around and calculate everything. And we got about a full load here, I would say. And I also bump the price up whenever stuff's upstairs. And this is on the 3rd floor. So we're at another one. I'll do the same exact thing. And this one's not that bad because it's a mobile home and it's on the ground level. And I'll do the same exact thing. I'll check all the doors. Nothing in there. I'll check this one over here. Nothing in there. I'll even open the refrigerator and see what's in there. Now there's a bunch of stuff on top of the sink here. All the paints and chemicals we will not take, which I love. So that's a pain in the ass taking that stuff. So I'll walk around, open the doors, the drawers, and just calculate it in my head like I did earlier. So this job is pretty easy. There's also a shed, which is pretty full. So I would say there's about a load here. These filing cabinets need to go, and all this little bit of trash in the front yard and the patio. So yeah, and I would say this is about a full load we got here. So just like that, we're done for the day. And JoJo, I think we lined those jobs up. I'm gonna send an invoice out for the estimate, and I think we got it. What do you think?
Oh, I would be so surprised if she didn't call us back. So those are 2 jobs, and I think we're gonna knock them out in the same day.
Oh yeah, and let me show you guys some junk finds I found a couple days ago, actually like a week ago. Check these little things out. I'm gonna let all the neighbor kids play with these and shoot at each other. Pretty damn cool, huh? Oh yeah, check that out. Back in the day when I was a young kid, we used to buy these from the ice cream truck when they were orange and shot yellow bullets, and we'd go in the backyard and spray paint them black and roll around the neighborhood like that, strapped up. Is that bad? It's the truth too.
I think that's horrible. As a mom, I don't think I'd let you do that.
Oh yeah, so if you guys like these videos, make sure you smash that like button. And remember one thing, we love all you guys. Oh yeah, you ready JoJo or what?
Yeah.
It's only noon right now.
Oh, it's awesome. That's awesome.
Now we can let our cat out. Our cat's been in Santa Rita for the last, what, 6 hours or 5 hours? Now I'm gonna show you guys how it feels when you get released from county jail. Check this out. JoJo, you ready? Let him out. This is how I looked every time I got out of jail. You ready? Check it out. You better run and not look back, Harlan. Oh yeah, we love all you guys. Make sure you smash that like button. This is our little buddy, Harlan. I'm gonna get you a hamburger. You're gonna eat good now. No more of them green looking hot dogs, them nasty looking beans. Ain't that right, Harlan? All right, guys, we love all you.
Are you talking about spread?
No, I'm talking about the food they served you.
Oh.
The spread's good.